Your saliva tells a story, one that could protect your health. Serious diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and even oral cancer often leave early warning signs in your mouth. Yet, most of these risks remain hidden until it's too late. Dentulu's salivary testing kit changes that. With a simple at-home test, your sample is sent to certified labs and reviewed by licensed professionals. Kits will arrive in 3 to 5 business days. Follow easy instructions to collect your saliva at home in minutes. Use the prepaid label to ship your sample to our certified lab. Get personalized insights and recommendations based on your results. What are the benefits? It detects harmful bacteria and fungi. It uncovers risks linked to diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. It's simple, fast, and gives you actionable results to share with your doctor. Knowledge is power. With Dentulu, you're empowered to act early, protect your health, and live with confidence. Awareness is protection. Protect your health today with Dentulu Salivary Testing Kit. Visit dentulu.com to learn more.